Welcome to Wisdom Learning. Today's video, JEE PYQ section Mathematics. We can discuss the question here. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel. Let us see the question. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then alpha raised to 15 plus beta raised to 15 is equal to. So what is the question given? A quadratic equation is given. I can write the quadratic equation. Excuse me. Okay. I write the quadratic equation like here. X square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0 is the given quadratic equation. And the roots of this quadratic equation is equal to alpha and beta. Find the value of alpha raised to 15 and beta raised to 15. Okay. Then what is the given quadratic equation? It is not a perfect square. So we can make it perfect square. How to make it perfect square? Half of the coefficient of x1 add and subtract. That means x square plus 2x. Half of the x coefficient 2 is equal to 1. So that we can add 1. So minus 1. So remaining 2 is there. Minus 1 means plus 1. So we can write like this is equal to 0. So this became a perfect square. We can write x plus 1 the whole square plus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? So we know the one identity, algebraic identity, a square minus b square. For the help of that identity, we can rearrange this equation like x plus 1 the whole square minus I the whole square. Am I right? I is equal to I square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into minus plus 1. So instead of plus 1, we can write I of 1 minus of I square. So this is a square minus b square form. So we can a square minus b square is equal to sorry, a plus b into a minus b. That is here a is equal to x plus 1 plus I into x plus 1 minus I is equal to 0. From this we can write x is equal to 1 plus I minus of 1 plus I we can write. Am I right? This is x plus 1 plus I is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus of 1 plus I. And x is equal to what is getting? X is equal to minus of 1 minus I we can write here. 1 here coming means minus 1. This is minus into minus minus 1. Minus I the right side coming means plus I into I minus I. Why I written like this? We know the formula 1 plus I the whole square is equal to 2I and 1 minus I the whole square is equal to minus 2I. For using this result, I wrote like this, minus outside. Now only writing. So what is getting? This is alpha and this is beta. Okay. Then what want to find? We want to find alpha raised to 15 plus beta raised to 15. So 1 plus I the whole square we know 2I. So alpha raised to 15 we can write alpha square whole raised to 7, then alpha raised to 14 into alpha. Similarly, plus beta square the whole raised to 7 into beta. Clear? Everything clear? Then alpha square what is getting? Minus 1 minus of 1 plus I the whole square. That is equal to I minus 1 square minus square plus 1 plus I the whole square is equal to 2I. So we can write here, instead of alpha square, we can write 2I the whole raised to 7 into alpha. What is alpha? So we can open the bracket minus 1 minus I plus. Similarly, beta square, the beta is equal to minus of 1 minus I. So 1 minus I square is equal to minus 2I. This minus the square is equal to plus 1. What is getting? Minus 2I the whole raised to 7 into, open the bracket, here open the bracket, minus into 1 minus 1, minus into minus plus sign. Clear? Then 2 raised to 7 is equal to 128. I raised to 7 is equal to minus I into minus 1 minus I plus 2 raised to 7 is equal to 128 minus 2 raised to 7 is equal to minus 128. I raised to 7 is equal to minus I into minus 1 plus I. Then we can use simplify 128 into minus into minus plus I into 1 plus I. Minus into minus plus I into I square is equal to minus 1 plus this minus into this minus plus, that is equal to 128 into I into minus 1 minus I into plus I minus I square minus 1. Again here 128 we can take on common. So what is remaining here? I minus 1 plus minus I minus 1. Minus I minus 1. So minus I plus I got cancelled. We are getting 128 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 256 is the right answer. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay. 2 minus 256 is the right answer. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. And done.